So I just bought this new fishing magnet kit, and I just got it, so I haven't used it yet, but I wanted to show you what it comes with. It comes with a really nice carrying case, which is really important for me because I'm going to keep this in my jet ski, and I don't want all the contents to be just rattling around in the jet ski. I want it in a nice package, which is awesome. And here's what it comes with. It comes with the rope with carabiners on each side of it. It comes with gloves so you don't hurt your hands while you're trying to pull up the rope. It comes with the magnet and all the things you need to attach the magnet. I'm only doing a top rope on the magnet. It comes with a grappling hook, comes with some Loctite, and it's a super powerful magnet, but it's really hard to tell from the pictures how big it is. So here you go. Here is how big it is in real life. I'm excited to use it, and it also has this kind of foam divider, which divided the case into 2 equal parts so that the magnet can sit in here, and then everything kind of difficultly fits into that side portion, but it actually comes in these layers. So if you rip off some of those layers, you can get rid of most of that and just use one of these. That way you can still put your magnet inside of here, and now you have room all over top to put everything in here, and there's tons and tons of room then. A little hack that I figured out there that I thought I would at least share, but I'm definitely going to use this. I'm definitely excited about it, and I will probably do an update video on how well it worked for me, but so far I'm impressed with it and would definitely recommend it.